Hello friends, today we are going to take a very detailed look at the Huawei Pura 90, focusing especially on its backside design. This phone is not just another flagship, it is a true piece of art that combines elegance, modern technology, and futuristic style. When you first look at the Huawei Pura 90 from the back, the design immediately captures your attention. The shiny glass finish reflects light beautifully, creating patterns that shift with every angle. It feels like holding a mirror that has been crafted with perfection. The back panel has smooth curves that make the device comfortable to hold while keeping its premium style intact. The most striking part of the back is the camera module. Huawei has chosen a bold and innovative design that stands out compared to traditional square or circular layouts. The camera housing feels futuristic, premium, and powerful, perfectly blending with the overall back panel. The finish around the camera area adds a touch of sophistication, making the Pura 90 instantly recognizable from a distance. Placed on a glass table, the Huawei Pura 90 looks even more stunning. The reflections on the table highlight the premium quality of its glossy surface. The design shines under soft studio lighting, making it look like a luxury accessory rather than just a phone. The charging connector at the bottom adds to its realistic everyday use, showing how well this phone blends into modern lifestyles. Decorative elements such as small plants and flowers placed nearby enhance its presentation, making the phone appear even more stylish and classy. Every curve and every detail on the back side of this phone has been carefully thought out. The polished glass doesn't just add beauty but also creates a strong sense of luxury. Unlike many phones that focus only on performance, Huawei has ensured that the Pura 90 delivers both performance and personality through its design. The Huawei Pura 90's backside is also highly photogenic. The way light plays across the glass makes it perfect for photography, videography, and tech showcases. Whether you are placing it on a desk, holding it in your hand, or capturing it on camera, the Pura 90 always looks elegant and premium. Another important detail is the comfort in holding the device. Despite its glossy finish, the phone is designed in such a way that it feels balanced and easy to grip. The curves ensure that it rests naturally in the hand without feeling bulky or heavy. The back design also reflects Huawei's dedication to craftsmanship. It is clear that they did not want to make just another smartphone, they wanted to create a device that people would feel proud to carry. The Huawei Pura 90 achieves this by offering a unique rear design that is both practical and visually appealing. When compared to other flagship smartphones of 2025, the Huawei Pura 90 stands out strongly. While many companies stick to safe designs, Huawei has experimented and successfully delivered something fresh. The reflections, the glossy shine, and the futuristic camera layout make this phone different from everything else available in the market.